Welcome to Avis Global Education, a new and innovative technical and vocational education training institute located in Mauritius. We are proud to be registered with the Mauritius Qualification Authority MQA. We are pleased to announce of our partnership with BITC. Baking Industry Training College BITC is a private education institute located in Singapore that has been providing high-quality education and training courses for 30 years. Specializing in a range of areas, including hospitality, baking, business, retail, and supply chain management. Now, in partnership with Avis Global Education, BITC qualifications will be available to students in Mauritius. These courses equip students with both theoretical and practical knowledge. The 6-month internship ensures that students have ample opportunity to apply what they have learned in a real-world setting. This exciting development opens up new opportunities for international students who wish to pursue their studies in a vibrant and dynamic learning environment. The key benefits for international students to study in Mauritius are: opportunity to work part-time for 20 hours per week while studying, affordable course fees and cost of living. Course fee payment is only required after visa approval, free IELTS training, easy student visa processing, and outcome in 2 weeks. English is the medium of instruction. Assistance for further study options to Australia and the UK. Avis Global Education. Join the global learning hub, where excellence is the norm. Thank you.